Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Greetings, one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number 4. Yes, day number 4, week 15, fall 2024 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's class. Let's begin. So we're gonna go over this quiz. Um, I think we went over number 2. We went over this one. I gotta do 3. We didn't do 3. So let's go over 3. That's science 3. We did this one. So let's do third one. This will we haven't went over yet. Okay, good. All right, so go ahead, Legacy, read the first question.
Question 1. Which of the following is the basic structural unit of all living organisms? A. Blood. B. Cells. C. Nucleus. D. Vacuoles.
Vacuoles. Vacuoles. So you have the blood, the cells, the nucleus, or vacuoles. Put your answers at the chat, please. Which is the basic structural unit of all living things? Is it A, B, C, or D? What do y'all think it is? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay. Put your answers at the chat for me, please. Which one is the which of the following is the basic structural unit of all living things? A, B, C, or D? I only see Joel answer in the chat. The rest of you, y'all need to answer. Legacy, you haven't answered. Herman, you haven't answered.
Give me one moment, please.
Herman, you have the answer inside the chat. All right. Herman, put your answer inside the chat, please. Um, Legacy, what did you pick?
D.
What is D?
Vacuoles.
Vacuoles. Why did you select that one?
I don't know.
You don't know? When they say the basic unit of all living things, Joel, what did you pick?
Cells. B.
Cells. Cells. Why did you pick cells, Joel?
Because I learned that cells are most basic thing for living things.
Very good. Very good. So the correct answer for this one is definitely the cells. Okay. So that's what? B? Yeah, B. The cells. Okay. So like I see so all living things are made up of cells. So cells are the most basic unit of all living things. Understand the legacy?
Yes, sir.
Good. Um, Joel, where's Joel?
My mom's phone was ringing, so I tried to answer it.
Read number 2, please.
Which structure named below is not present in an animal cell? Cell membrane, cell wall,
Cytoplasm.
cytoplasm, and nucleus.
Very good. Which one is not present? Which one is not present in an animal cell? The cell membrane, the cell wall, the cytoplasm, or the nucleus? Put your hands inside the chat, please. Let me know which one you think. Not present. Herman, turn on your camera, please. Herman, turn on your camera. All right. Legacy. Legacy said D, not present. Legacy, you never done this topic before.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Which structure named below is not present in animal cell? So the correct answer is actually B. The cell wall is not present in animal cell. Joel, you got that right?
Yes, sir. It's found in the plant.
Okay. So y'all can see my screen? Can
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
What is it on? What is it on?
Cells.
Cells? Okay. Y'all see the two different cells, right?
Yes, sir.
See
And
the
an animal.
you see the plant cell and the animal cell. So the difference between the two is that the plant cell it has a cell wall, and the cell wall is surrounding it. Okay. But the animal cell does not have a cell wall. It's like all those stuff. You just have a cell membrane, but doesn't have a cell wall. So that's the difference. All right. Do you see that legacy?
Yes, sir.
So a plant cell have a cell wall, an animal cell does not. So what does an animal cell have? So what does a plant cell have? Legacy that an animal cell does not have.
Cell wall.
Cell wall. Very good. Number three. Go ahead, Herman. Read number three.
Which organism shown below to the fungi
Fungi.
fungi kingdom? A. Fern.
A what? Fern.
A. Fern. B. Caterpillar. C. Bird. D. Mushroom.
Very good. Which one is the fungi? Put your answers on the chart for me, please. Which one is a fungi? Put your answers on the chart. Which one is the fungi? Put your answers inside the chat for me, please. All right. What did you all put for this one?
D.
What is D?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Very good. Joel, what did you put?
D.
Joel?
Mushrooms.
D, mushroom. Very good. Mushroom. Very good. All right. So the correct answer here is definitely D for the mushroom. The mushroom is a fungi. Next, number four. Gianna, um read number four.
Which of the following conditions will cause mold to grow on your bread? A. Dry and cool conditions. B. Dry and warm conditions. C. Moist and cool conditions. D. Moist and warm conditions.
Very good. Put your hand inside the chat for me. Which one y'all think it is? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D?
I thought that was bad just now. Will grow on your bed.
No, no, no. Definitely not. Right? What do y'all put for this one? A, B, C, or D? which would cause mold to grow on the bread?
C.
Say it again.
Moist and warm conditions.
Nice and warm. Legacy, what you put? For mold to grow on the bread.
D, moist and warm conditions.
Moist and warm conditions. Yeah, the correct answer is definitely D. Y'all know what mold is, right?
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Petit, don't the places have to be damp?
Damp is also a part of part of moist as well. Damp.
What's damp?
Damp means like
Dark places?
no, damp means like it's kind of sort of
Wet.
wet. It's sort of wet. Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit of wetness
Yeah.
on it.
All right. Herman, read number 5.
Linda observed.
1 second. Gianna, sit on the chair properly. Sit on the chair. Go ahead, Herman.
Linda observed a worm.
Observed.
Which
Observed. Observed.
observed a
No,
worm.
observed.
Observed a worm which had a round tube-like body with segments, a nervous system, and 2 body openings. Which type of worm did Linda observe? A, an earthworm. B, a flukeworm. C, a hookworm. D, a tapeworm.
Good. Put your hands inside the chat, please. What sort of worm did she observe? All right. So she observed a worm with a round tube-like body with segments. What do y'all put for this one? What do y'all put for this one? Legacy, Jordan, Gianna, what do y'all put for this one?
I put A. Earthworm.
A, a earthworm. Herman, what did you put?
I put A.
A, earthworm as well? Okay. The correct answer is definitely A. How did y'all know it was an earthworm? You just guess?
Guessed it. Goes it on the earth.
Because it's on the earth, okay. Yeah, it is an earthworm.
You just
Earthworm,
broke up with Mr. Petit.
it is an earthworm. It is an earthworm. Earthworms have 2 body openings and have segments as well. Okay, next. Number 6. Legacy, number 6, read it for me.
Which group of worms named below has special adaptations to regrow body parts?
Adaptations.
Adaptations to regrow body parts. A, hookworms. B, leech worms. C, planarian worms. D, tapeworms.
Planarian worms. Planarian worms. Okay, put your hands inside the chat, please. What you think is the answer for this one? Okay, so let me check the chat. Gianna and Joel said B. Legacy said A. Herman, you didn't put your answer. All right, the correct answer is C. So planarian worms, they are able to regrow their body parts. So let's say, for example, part of their body part got damaged or cut, they're able to regrow it. Okay. You wish you had that powers or adaptation?
I think I'd like that.
You think you like that? So if you cutting onions and your finger missing got cut, it could regrow. All right, next. Number 7. Go ahead, Joel. This should be very easy.
The main organ of the
Circulatory.
circulatory system is the A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Lungs, D. Stomach. Can I open it?
Yes, we can. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. The main organ of the circulatory system is what? The main organ of the circulatory system is what? All right, what do y'all put for this one? The main organ for the circulatory system
B. Heart.
is the heart. Very good. The heart. Very good. The heart. Because the heart pumps blood, and that's the circulatory system. One of its main functions. Go ahead. Joel, you have a question?
Yes, so what was number 6? I want to make sure if I didn't get it right.
Number 6. Planarian worms. C.
Oh, C.
Yeah. For number 7, it was the heart. And then for number 8, go ahead. Joel, read number 8.
Which of the following habits will help you take care of your circulatory system? A. Smoking every day. B. Not exercising. C. Eating a balanced diet. Or D. Not visiting a doctor regularly.
Good.
Miss Betty, I wouldn't be able to attend this long time because I have to go to the barber shop at 6:30. So yeah.
All right. What y'all put for this one? Which of the following habits will help you to take care of your circulatory system?
C. Eating a balanced diet.
I put C,
No.
but it let me what it let me what it
The chat wouldn't let me send it.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right, next. Number 9, go ahead, Gianna.
The skeletal muscles are attached to bones by specialized structures known as the A. Blood vessels, B. Ligaments, C. Muscles, D. Tendons.
Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. All right. The skeletal muscles are attached to bones by specialized structures known as what? Tell us for that one.
A.
Blood vessels. Legacy, what you have for this one?
D.
B.
E, ligaments. Joel, what you have for this one?
D. Tendons.
D, tendons. Herman, what you have for this?
D.
D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is tendons. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Now, if you're doing muscle to bone, that's tendons. If you're doing bone to bone, that's ligaments. So, legacy, bones are attached to bones by ligaments. All right? But bones are attached to muscles by tendons. Okay? That's what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, last question. Number 10. Go ahead. Herman, read number 10.
Sarah observed pictures of muscles found in the heart. What type of muscles did she look at? A.
Cardiac.
Cardiac muscles. B. Skeleton muscles. C. Smooth muscles. D. Striated muscles.
Striated muscles. So which type of muscles? Legacy, I can't see. You have to put the camera down so I can see. You only can see the wall. But what type of muscles did she look at? Cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, or striated muscles. These are muscles are found in the heart. So just remember that. Okay. All right, so it's going to be, I guess he said smooth muscles. Actually, let me show y'all. Let me see y'all. If I type in cardiac muscle, what will come up? What comes up? What is this?
I see. Why it look like worms? I mean,
Why does it look like what?
it look like steak. It look like worms.
This is your heart. You don't notice how your
That
heart
one
look?
would say. That
This
one
is
would say
your heart.
cardiac. The Wikipedia look like steak.
This is heart. Oh, this look like steak. But this is your heart.
Unfortunately,
What pink one?
Yeah,
every time I see that, it just creeps me out.
yeah, this is
It
your
looks
heart.
like one of the plants. I
Cardiac
forget it.
muscle is from the heart. Cardiac, that's the hint from the heart. Okay,
Petite, I have a question.
go ahead.
If I have shape like this, right?
Mhm. I can't hear you, froze.
Why do people do this?
You froze, Joel.
Yes.
But I understand your question. They're not talking about the. They're not talking about the. It's just a symbol. Okay, it's just a symbol. That's why. But the correct answer is cardiac.
I said
No, I see it. 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 I know what you're talking about. It's just a symbol, though. It's just a symbol. All right. All right. Next, number 11. Herman, read number 11. Who was next? I can't remember who was next. Who read the last question?
Not me.
I know it wasn't. I know it wasn't. Who read the last question? Joel? Okay, Gianna, your turn.
which of the following statements best describes the term photo phototropism?
Phototropism.
Phototropism. A plant's response to gravity. B. A plant's response to light. C. A plant's response to other plants. D. A plant's response to.
Plant's response to water. Very good.
I thought phototropism means a plant responds to a photo.
No, phototropism, not photosynthesis. Phototropism.
I honestly thought that word was photosynthesis too.
No, it's not photosynthesis.
I don't know why.
Very good. All right. So phototropism, what y'all have for this one? Legacy. B. Yeah, that's correct. Phototropism is a plant's response to light. Okay. Phototropism is a plant's response to light. That's correct. Um, if it had some but gravity, then it'd be response to gravity. Next, go ahead. Legacy, read number 12.
Different plants have different growth patterns. Which of the following statements gives a description of a vine? A. A plant with one main wooden stem or trunk. B. A middle-sized plant with many stems or trunks. C. A plant with a climbing stem. D. A plant that only grows in water.
Very good. Um, so different plants have same, you all know what a vine is, right? Ever saw a vine? So what y'all put for this one? For vine, what growth pattern does it have? What growth pattern does a vine have?
Is it like a grapevine?
You have a grapevine. What y'all have for this one? A, B, C, or D?
C.
Mm, it's definitely C. A plant with a climbing stem. Yeah. Because if you look at a vine, look at a vine.
You can't climb a vine.
It's a climb. No, the stem climbs. So like the
Oh, that's what
yeah,
that meant.
yeah. You
I
see
think it meant like climbing.
no. You see the stem climbs? That's what you mean by vine.
Oh, well, I would have gotten that question right if I knew that.
All right, good. All right, next one. Next. All right, number 13. Number 13, go ahead. Herman.
Yes, sir.
Read number 13. An ecosystem.
Which of the following actions would arc occur if all the rabbits in this food chain die from a disease? A. The snake would start to eat pine cones. B. The producer would stop producing food. C. The population of snakes would be increased. D. The population of snakes would be decreased.
Very good. Um, Legacy, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Is that word producer or producer?
Producer. All right. Which of the following actions will occur if all the rabbits in the food chain died from a disease? What would happen? A, the snake would start to eat pine cones. B, the producer would stop producing food. The population of snakes would increase. The population of snakes would decrease. What would y'all say for this one? What y'all have for this one? Legacy, what you think? right? What y'all have for this one? I can see what you have.
I think that the population of snakes would increase.
Increase, okay. Joel, where's Joel? Gianna, where's Joel? Where's Joel? I can't hear from him. Herman, what you think? What answer? What answer you have for this one? Herman, what you have for this one?
I pick B.
The population, the producer would stop producing food. Remember, what do we call this? What do we call this legacy? What do we call this?
The food chain.
A food chain, very good.
Oh.
So the rabbit eats the pine seeds. If the rabbit dies, right? If all the rabbits die, then where would the snake get food? So if the rabbit dies, then the population of snakes would decrease because then there's not going to be enough food for them to eat, right? So the correct answer here is definitely D. D. All right, number 14. Legacy, read number 14, please.
Which of the following is the main source of energy in most ecosystems? A. The decomposers. B. Light from the sun. C. Nutrients in soil. D. Oxygen in the soil.
Which of the following is the main source of energy in most ecosystems? The decomposers, light from the sun, nutrients in the soil, or oxygen in the soil? Put your answers inside the chat. Joel, what you put for this one? Legacy, what you put for this one? Herman, what you put for this one? Legacy, what you put for this one?
B. Light from the sun.
Very good. All right. It's not working. Okay. All right. The mic is not working. But how about the chat? Put your answers inside the chat. Okay. All right. Okay. So the correct answer here is legacy. I can't see you. Okay.
Sorry.
So the correct answer here is B. Definitely B. Light from the sun. All right. Next, number 15. Herman, where's Herman?
Right here.
Turn your mic, please. Turn your camera. All right, good. Read the questions, please.
Which of the following leads to pollination?
Pollination.
Pollination when it is transferred from one flower to another. A. Corn. B. Fruit. C. Pollen. D. Seed.
All right. Which of the following leads to pollination when it's transferred from one cone to another? Is it the cone, the fruit, the pollen, or the seed? which leads to pollination when it is transferred from one flower to the next? This one is easy.
Basically, you get errors now.
Yes, I get it, you know.
Can I get some water, please?
No, answer this question first. Would you have for this one?
I have C.
C, legacy, would you have for this one?
C. Pollen.
C, pollen, very good. Remember what you have for this one?
C.
D, not the C, no.
I put C.
C is correct. C is correct. Joel, read number 16.
Pardon?
Read number 16.
The part of the flower that is responsible for protecting the male and female reproductive structure, or the A petal, B pistil, C sepal, D stamen.
Very good. So which one is the male? Which part of the flower is responsible for protecting the male and female reproductive structures? Is it the pistil, the sepal, the stamen, or the petal? Which one for this one, Joel?
I have C.
Excuse me, Mr. Repeat.
Yes,
Can I go and use the bathroom right quick, please?
quickly, quickly. Which one you have for this one, Joel? Joel, which one you have for this one?
C.
Why did you say the sepal?
Because the pistil, no, the petal is in a part. No, wait, the pistil and the stamen is the male and female part. The petal is like the thing that attracts like the animals and stuff. So I think it's a sepal.
Okay. Okay. So let me show you what the stamen is, because I think that's what Legacy put, right? The stamen. If you look at let's look at the flowering.
So which question was right?
I'm gonna show you right now, flowering um, um, diagram. So if you look here, the sepal right here, this is the part that protects both the male and female parts. Okay. The stamen is the stamen is the anther and filament. That's the stamen. This is the stamen. That doesn't protect them. Okay. All right, legacy. So the part that protects is going to be the sepal. The sepal. Okay. So it's going to be the sepal. That's C, right? C. We have A. Petal. Wait, why does thing say that? Oh, no, not the sepal. I'm sorry, the petal that protects it. I got it wrong. The petal. But it's definitely not the stamen or the pistil. So the petal is what's going to protect it. I have A here. Wait, I don't think petal is right. I don't think that petal is right. Wait, I think the answer is actually what I said earlier, sepal. Yeah, this is supposed to be sepal, not petal. So the answer for this one is sepal, not petal. The petal is just there to look pretty. Okay, number 17, because we ran out of time. The part of the flower that's responsible. Okay, Ray said that's the. No, we said this is supposed to be the sepal. So let's correct that. Number 17. Oh, it's the same question. Number 16 and 17 are the same question. I don't know why, but it's C. Okay, number 18. Henry likes to measure moisture that falls on the sky in the form of rain, snow, or heat. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail. What is it that Henry measures? So he measures rain, snow, sleet, and hail. What is he measuring? Well, he is measuring precipitation. So water in any form from the sky is called precipitation. So water in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail is precipitation. All right, so the answer is precipitation for this one. Number 19. The layer of the earth on which people build homes, cities, is known as the inner core, the crust, the mantle, or the outer core. What do y'all think is this one? The layer of the earth on which people build homes and cities. Is it the crust, the mantle, the inner core, or the outer core? All right. So the correct answer is going to be definitely the crust. The crust is where is the part of the crust is the part of the earth where we build homes and stuff. Next, number 20. Which of the following would you find if you took a journey to the inner core of the earth? Which of the following would you find if you took a journey to the inner core of the earth? Would you find melted rock, solid, very hot metal, swirling gases, or molten metal rock? Right? If you journeyed to the swirling gases, I guess you think you're gonna find gases in the inner core of the.
Wait, I thought that was D. Sorry.
What do you think? Would you put? All right. The correct answer for this one is definitely it's gonna be melted rock. So the answer is, I'm sorry, not melted rock. Very solid hot metal to the inner core. So that's B. Okay, so I'm gonna put the quiz inside the chat.
I had no idea there was metal in the middle of the earth.
Yeah. The core. Let me show you the cores. Let me show you the layers of the earth. So layers of the earth diagram. So if you look at it, these are the layers. So the crust is where we are. Then you have the upper mantle, the lower mantle, the inner core, okay, and the outer. All right. So this is it again. This is also the layers of the earth. Okay. You all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the
Yes,
crust,
sir.
Yes, please.
yeah, the
I have my
crust.
pen right here.
Say it again. Say it again, Legacy.
Sorry, I was talking to my auntie.
Okay. The inner core is the solid part at the center of the earth. It is made of iron and nickel. and it's very hot. It's very hot. And then the crust is where we live. Okay, so let me put the quiz inside the chat for you. Once you've started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Legacy, what number you on?
3 going on to 4.
Joel, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. Joel and Gianna, what number y'all on? Joel and Gianna, what number y'all on? Herman, what number you on?
2.
I'm on number 13.
All right.
This is actually not too good because Mr. Petit, in question 16, you had said that the answer wasn't pedal, right?
No, it's not pedal. It's actually sequel.
All right, thank you.
Herman, what number you on?
I have to start all over because I got a 16 out of 20.
Okay. Joel and Gianna, what number y'all on?
Number 19.
Number 19.
I got one wrong. Just one.
My.
Redo it, right?
Yes, redo it. Yes. Joel and Gianna, what number y'all on?
Well, first we're gonna redo it because we got a 16 out of 20.
Gianna and Joel, what number y'all on?
We redoing it. We on number 2.
Okay.
Twenty out of 20.
20 out of 20. Let me see. Hey, check. Let's check. Yeah, very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
I think that's it. You can leave. A wonderful evening.
You too. Bye, everybody.
Take care.